Hola y bienvenidos, welcome, bienvenidos a Español 135, Spanish 135. My name is Tara Greatorex and I will be your instructor this semester. I hope you all had a great winter break, that you are enjoying or at least survived the snow, and I look forward to working with you as we get started this semester. Just a quick reminder that this is a fully online course. If you've never taken Spanish before, I really recommend that you instead sign up for a face-to-face course. It is difficult to learn a language from scratch, from zero, all on your own. So again, all of our online language courses are really more intended for people who have some Spanish experience and are really more comfortable learning on their own. I'm always here for you as the instructor, but it's different than, seeing me every day in class. So if you've never taken Spanish, if you are uncomfortable learning a language on your own, I definitely recommend you drop this section and take a face-to-face section. If you feel comfortable learning on your own, then welcome. I just want to show you real quick some things about how to navigate through our D2L course. So we're going to start by clicking on content, and we're going to start where it says start here. The first thing you'll see is this video, the course store, and then next you'll see the calendar. So when we open the calendar, we will see overall the assignments for the course. So we have online homework packets, which are going to be due every module. For those, you have unlimited attempts. You can do them as many times as you want until you get the grade that you want. We will also have quizzes every module. Those you can only open one time, and once you open them, you have to finish them within the time limit. The homework packets, there's no time limit. You will have speaking recordings every module, so you're going to record yourself answering questions or asking questions, and you will upload that for me to give you feedback. We will also have 2 pronunciation projects where you will be reading a text and aiming for clear pronunciation. We have 5 discussion boards about cultural topics. Those are in English. We also have an introduction discussion board. And then we have 2 projects, the field-specific project, which is an interview project, and the final video project, which, like it sounds, is a video project. So you can see more information about each of those. And here we have all the dates. So we can see, we get started, Module 1 kicks off this Monday. Every time we have a discussion board, the initial post will be due on the Wednesday. So your first discussion board post will be due the 19th, and then your will be due the 15th, and then the 19th will be all of your responses, along with these other items. So please take a moment to look through the calendar. You can print it out, keep it with you under your pillow, to see what's due every week. If we go back to start here, we have also my instructor information. So there you can see my email, a text number. I answer email all the time, so that's the best way to get in touch with me. We can also see the textbook information. So the textbook is an ebook, Spanish for Healthcare. It's only available now as an ebook. So you can just get it directly through Lingro Learning, or if you know someone who had it before, you can use theirs. If it asks you for an enrollment code, you can put this enrollment code. Once you get into Lingro Learning, we're only using the e-text. We're not using anything else there. So you can follow this video tutorial about how to see just the e-text there. Please get that as soon as possible. You will need that going forward. Okay, there's also a document asking how can you add accents. So you will need to be able to add accented letters, and there's shows you a bunch of different ways to do it there. So please keep that as a reference. Also, technical requirements. Again, this is an online course, so you must have access to a webcam. You need to be able to record audio, record video, high-speed internet, all that kind of stuff. And you can look through the rest of that information there. There's also information about each of the assignments that I showed you on the calendar, so a little bit more information about the homework, the speaking assignments, the quizzes, discussion boards, all that. And then we get started with the modules. So you can see that every module is going to be divided into something to read, like the learning materials, so readings and resources, and then the assignments. And each module will also start off with a video. The modules are timed and locked, so you need to work on them during the time that they're open, and once they're closed, those assignments are done. Once you're done with this video, you can watch the modules 1 and 2 video, because modules 1 and 2 are a little bit different than the rest of the modules, but that's just a quick overview of how to navigate. So every week when you log in, you're going to go to the module that we're in, the dates are here, you'll go through the readings and resources, and then you'll go through the assignments. And you'll just navigate like that. You can see all the dates from the beginning, and again, we have the calendar, and all of the other startup information is here. So please email me if you have any questions. Again, I'm looking forward to working with you all. I hope it's going to be a great semester. Good luck with all your classes, and I'll see you soon. Nos vemos pronto. Adios.